Here's some philately trivia. Subscribe. What word describes the way stamps are collected and displayed? Is it A, folder, B, case, C, album, or D, booklet? The correct answer is C, album. What is the term for the space where stamps are manufactured? Is it A, post office, B, postal factory, C, stamp shop, or D, mail center? The correct answer is A, post office. Which organization is known as the World Stamp Authority? Is it A, HOB, UPCU, or D, FIFA? The correct answer is B, UPU. Who was the first person to sell postage stamps commercially? Is it A, Benjamin Franklin, B, Rowland Hill, C, Thomas Edison, or D, Sir Walter Raleigh? The correct answer is B, Rowland Hill. In philately, what does the term mint refer to? Is it A, unused condition, B, damaged stamps, C, used condition, or D, printed on paper? The correct answer is A, unused condition. Which collectible includes rare or limited edition stamps? Is it A, numismatic value, B, action figures, C, comic books, or D, philatelic rarity? The correct answer is D, philatelic rarity. What is the practice of collecting postmarks called? Is it A, mail archiving, B, card cataloging, C, stamp hoarding, or D, postmark collecting? The correct answer is D, postmark collecting. Which term describes a collection assembled with a specific focus? Is it A, disorganized group, B, thematic collection, C, random assortment, or D, generic archive? The correct answer is B, thematic collection. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.